Hello everyone, I am Professor Nadia Boutaleb from Hassan II University of Casablanca, and I am truly delighted to be part of the Crossref Ambassadors Program. I would like to express my warmest thanks to Johansen Obanda and to the entire Crossref team for their constant availability, guidance, and generosity in sharing knowledge. Being part of such an inspiring community is both an honor and a responsibility. As a Crossref ambassador, I have been working to strengthen metadata integrity, promote open science visibility, and foster collaboration across the MENA region. I am deeply motivated and fully committed to contributing within this global network to link science, people, and knowledge, and to help make research more trusted, connected, and visible worldwide. Thank you, Crossref, for this opportunity. Together, we connect the world of research from every corner. As a part of my ongoing commitment to open science and metadata integrity, and as a member of its steering committee, I am delighted to announce our forthcoming Congress CIIES26, the 6th edition of the International Congress on Industry, Environment and Health, co-organized by AMSTES, the Moroccan Association for Environmental and Health Sciences and Technologies, the Faculty of Science and Technology, Hassan II University of Casablanca, and the CIIES of Casablanca. This forthcoming edition, which will take place from 15 to the 17th of April 2026 in Casablanca, promises a truly rich and inspiring scientific program, and will, for the first time, include a dedicated Crossref workshop hosted at the CIIES campus, a place offering exceptional facilities, technical support, and an atmosphere that truly inspires collaboration. So I invite you all, editors, librarians, students and researchers, to join us in Casablanca from 15 to the 17th of April 2026 for CIIES26 and the first Crossref workshop in Morocco. Let's work together to make research more connected, more trusted, and more visible, not only for today, but for the future of the open science in our region. Thank you very much. Merci infiniment. Shukran jazilan.